What's up, guys? I'm back at my little neighborhood pond, and we're gonna fish some Senkos, try to get some, early spring largemouth. So I'm gonna get myself set up and I'll see you on the water. So as you can see, the pond's really high. So what I'm gonna do, there was a fish, sneak behind this tree, because it's deeper on the front side of that. Got a new toy to play with. It's the Daiwa Tatsula 150. Needed a new bait caster. All of mine are pretty well busted up at this point, so I had the opportunity to get one of these and I grabbed it. I like it so far. Still gotta try to catch a fish on it though. Alright, here we go. God, the water is still freezing cold. Oh, pickerel. That was pretty cool. Fast and furious. Well, he's barely hooked. That's kind of cool. Alrighty, big dog. I hate messing with pickerel. I've never been bitten by one, and I don't plan on it. Jesus. Perch donked it. Oh my God. Seems like the fish are really close to shore here. Caught that pickerel in close, and then I got a dunk dunk like here. So we'll see. Jesus, the freaking pickerel. All right, let's try something here. Let's see if I can get a pickerel on top. That was cool. That's cool. Coming hot. came in freaking smoking hot. Just a little guy. Yeah, not bad. Fell right out. I think that's gonna be it for me. I gotta go make dinner and tomorrow's a work day, so that was fun. Fun little spring smorgasbord. I caught the only 3 types of fish that I know are in here: perch, pickerel, and largemouth. So I take that back, there's sunfish in here, but probably won't get one on a Senko. So anyways, see you guys soon.